What's up, everyone? Sorry for the bad lighting, but I'm in my new apartment and I can't really, yeah, I just can't do this with good lighting. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how I've been using Paigham Bot to promote a new article of mine and why I think that is a good idea, and why, if you don't have a blog right now, you definitely should start one, especially if you work in marketing. Okay, so what I've done here is I've got 3 instances of Paigham Bot that I'm going to use to promote this article right here. Hold on. So this is the article that I wrote, and it's pretty good. Now it's called "Welcome to ClickFunnels, You Suck." First line, very engaging, and then it's kind of like, I'll show you my blog also. It's like also a good way for me to promote myself, but basically I have a blog on steemit.com. This is my account, and these are all of the articles that I've written. So like you can see, I've got a lot here, and like anything else, you know, when you start creating content like this, whether it's like blog or YouTube channel or like Instagram or whatever, like it's going to take a long time. You're going to have to put in a lot of work. But I've been doing this for about 1.5 years, and now I've got a very large repository of high quality articles that I can show to potential clients, or, you know, whatever. All right, so this article, just to give you an idea of how long it is, like look how long this thing is. This is like, it's like 8,000 words. Okay, so like it goes and goes and goes and goes and goes, and like there we go, that's the end. Okay, so from here to here, this thing is massive. It's very good. Got voted to the top of Steemit's trending page the first couple days that it was up. Okay, now why am I promoting this? Okay, now I don't want to spoil the article for you, so I'll just show you the first couple sections. But basically what I do is I essentially write a very engaging article. I've got like a writing background anyway, so I'm kind of good at that. But what I do is I write this like article and I format it and all that. And then what I do is I put in affiliate links, right? So I'm pretty sure this is an affiliate link here. Right, so this is an affiliate link for the affiliate bootcamp, right, for ClickFunnels. This is a ClickFunnels product, and when people like are reading this, when they're reading this, they might click on this, or they might click on this, which is another. Oh, actually, I didn't set a link for this. I'd have to do that. Okay, this is a link to my cold email crusher course, right? This is something that I wrote. Blah blah blah. My handsome face. Going. You know, this thing is also massive, so there might be a chance that they buy this for 97 bucks, right? Even though I give it away for free, but who knows? And then what else? So basically, that's the point. Okay, now I've got like all of this shit here. So essentially, now why is this a good idea, right? If you're sending a Paigham Bot campaign and you're trying to like sell something to people, then they're naturally going to be like very guarded, right? Because they know you want something from them. But when you send them an email and you just say like, hey, I'm just promoting this article that I wrote, I think you'll like it. They're like, an article? But you're not trying to sell me anything. So they're much more likely to click it. Now, I don't have, well, I kind of have analytics, right? Because I use this like link shortener, but I can't really see, like there's no graphs or anything, right? But like this is recent activities. You can see in the past 2 hours, I've gotten about 10 clicks, right? Now, I don't know if all of these are from that article, but I can show you that I would say, let's see here, pretty much all of these links, except these top 2, are new links that I added for the article, right? I had to create all these new links, okay? So like you can see like 86 funnel scripts, that's a new link. All this stuff, right? So like, you know, all of this shit is new. So this has gotten like literally hundreds of links. And just to give you an idea, right, let's take a look at this right here. So for when I do a campaign, okay, now I've built this list over months, and I've traded lists and I've bought lists. So like this is not like I just started yesterday. But basically when I do this, we look at the scraping tab. Okay, I've loaded 110,000 pages in here. Now when I do these campaigns through this list, traditionally I've got about 30% success rate, okay? So if I have 3.3 million, right, what's 30% of 3.3 million? Let's call that 999,000. That means I'm sending this article, a link to this article, to almost 1 million people. Okay, let that sink in for a second. 1 million people who have never heard of me will now know who I am. Okay, and let's say like out of those, because that's just what Paigham Bot reports as a success. Okay, but some of those are newsletter signups. Let's say half of that, right, are actually successful. Okay, so let's take a look at my message that I send. All right. All right. Hello, my name is Yalapapi. I just wanted to let you know about a new article I published on my blog about ClickFunnels. CF is a popular piece of software that makes it easy to create websites that are designed to generate revenue. The article is not your typical review, but even at 7,000 words, it seems to be pretty popular as it's currently ranked #1 on Steamit's trending page. Maybe you'll like it, maybe you'll hate it, typo. Or maybe you'll wonder why the heck I contacted you to tell you about it, but if you have some time and want to read something quirky and entertaining, you can find it here. Link. If that's not your thing, then I guess just have a good day. Okay, so this is like very... Now, if you've got my cold email course, which I'll put a link to in the description, you can get it for free. I don't charge anything for it. But it explains how to write a message like this. It's very short and to the point. Hello, my name is, this is what I'm contacting you about, this article, this is a little bit more information about it, more information, and this is very like, kind of like a takeaway, right? Like you're not saying like, it's the best thing ever, you're gonna love it, it's amazing, like it'll change your life. No, I don't like to do that. I like to kind of come the other way to establish a little bit more trust and be like, maybe you'll like it, I don't know, if you don't, whatever, have a nice one. Pop in a link, and then have a good day, right? So that's pretty much it, I guess. Let's run this bad boy. Okay, a little bit of spin text here, a little bit of spin text here. I'm not using a real email address because like I don't want all of the spam to come back to me. Like I just don't see the need for it, so I just made up some email address here. Okay, start 21. Boom. Let's do that again. Right, that's it. Now this is the end of my, what's it called? The end of my, actually this is not the end of my campaign. This is probably like 90% done with my campaign after this. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And I am very happy with the results of this so far. Okay, I've gotten a couple, I'm not sure how many opt-ins I've gotten through various like, because the problem is that this is kind of hard to track because I'm not really the best with like my analytics. But I can just say that like I've noticed a lot more, I've noticed the stats going up on this like a lot, like an insane amount. So, and I've gotten like, I made an extra like $200 in affiliate commission from Paigham Bot just from running this bot through this campaign. Obviously there's better ways to do it, but I'm happy with like the low amount of effort that I had to put in for the amount of money that I made for this. I look kind of cool actually. All right, so if you have any questions about that, let me know. Subscribe. Peace.